What's up, everybody? The Trade Baron here with your daily breakdowns on the trades on the Nasdaq today. All right, so our first trade came in about right here. We have the darker histogram coming in on that 5 minute, telling us we're getting ready to move down. So go ahead and take this one down right here. The market opened up, ended up closing us out about right here, and market just kept going up, and just to close back down right here. All right, this close led us to take our next trade right here, which was a short. We had that darker histogram coming in on that 5 minute, as well as a cross on the 2 minute here. So we ended up taking this one short, and we got stopped out for a lot. We got stopped out for about 96 points right there, for a total of about 120 so far. All right, let's see. And then from here, we had the cross on the 5 minute with a darker histogram right here, as well as a cross on a 2 minute. This was our next trade going up from there. Feels like a little bit late to the party. I mean, this was going up for quite a minute, but we're just following our logic here. So taking this one up, and up, and it ended up closing beneath the lows right here. This closed us out for about 40 points. So got a little bit back from these two losses right here. But let's see where this one takes us next. All right, this one right here, we have that darker histogram coming in on the 5 minutes, as well as this one right here crossing on that 2 minutes. So we ended up taking this trade about right here, and this one ended up stopping us out with this glorious tape bomb that decided to come in right out of nowhere right here. Stopped us out for about 20 points. So gave back half of that profit from earlier. And what do we got here for our next trade? Our next trade was this one going up. We skipped everything else really going through here because it didn't line up with our anything on our MACD. Like, honestly, this trade right here, this should have been the one that was just going down. But this one, this tape bomb really just messed things up there. What do you got? The big middle finger pattern we got right here. So there's your fingers right there. There's the middle finger sticking up, and then it goes right back down. That's the middle finger pattern, if you guys never seen that before. So let's see what we got here next. This one was going up now. So we've got that darker histogram coming in. We've also got a cross on that 2 minute going up. And this was our move that we were taking up from here. We finally got to close about right there. And this started to happen. This was way later in the day. I mean, you guys already know I don't like trading past 1400. So I would have just held on to this right here, waiting for it to cross beneath a low, and it finally did about right there. So that gives you about 76 points. Not too bad. I mean, this was a losing day. You got the middle finger pattern that messed you up. And then this one right here. Really need to get something to where I can get out of these sooner. Thinking about something where these candles like engulf, like basically you got an engulfing candle that closes above the high here, closes above the high here. Maybe this one right here, where it's really closing above all the highs of the previous two candles. So around it right here, and that would have made us a green day if we were probably out right there. But overall, a red day for today. Let's get a grand total on this. All right, and our grand total for today is negative 29 points. Not that bad. I mean, it could have been way worse, right? Not bad at all, though. Then we got this nonsense happening right here. Check that out. First candle opening up of Asia session from 1700. How much is this? Look at this nonsense. Wow, 276 points on that first candle opening up. So yeah, we've got some nonsense happening. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's see what happens then. Hopefully we can make up some of these red days. They haven't been too bad, but, you know, our goal is to have green days, not necessarily red days. So, yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how your guys' days went in the comment section. And, yeah, make sure to check me out, The Trade Baron, on all social media platforms. I do daily recaps on the Nasdaq. Like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff.